I've made thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing, and believe me when I say this is the only video you need to get started. So let's dive in. Alright, so affiliate marketing is when you promote someone's product and they pay you a commission on each sale. Now you know what it is. What are some affiliate programs? Depending on your industry, you will find many. The most common is Amazon. You sign up on Amazon and search for items and create links. The problem, however, is that Amazon pays in pennies. It used to pay a decent commission, but they have declined this number massively now. Another similar program is eBay, where you promote any product listed on eBay and get some commission on each sale. Some other affiliate programs are ClickBank, Impact, and CJ. We find hundreds of brands on those programs, so after signing up, you will need to apply to each brand you want to work with. Some have tough policies and they check your full profile before approving, while some will approve your application instantly. The best part about those programs is that each brand has different commission structure. Some brands will pay you 10% of the sale, while others pay 30% and even 50%. At this point, you will be thinking about your niche. I suggest choosing something that interests you, because your interest will push you to make more and more without getting tired. Alright, let's see some best platforms for affiliate marketing. You can promote products on any platform, but in my 5-year career, I found that YouTube, your blog, and Twitter work the best. Let's begin with YouTube. YouTube is the best platform because it allows you to place links on multiple locations. You can place links in the video descriptions, comments, about section, and the channel header area. For some brands, you can even place links in info cards and end screens. That's so many locations. Also, YouTube doesn't care how many affiliate links you put. Of course, links and products must not violate their terms. The second best platform is your own website. Usually blogging should be above YouTube because it gives you full flexibility. But Google is critical about your affiliate links. Google has been releasing new updates that target websites with affiliate links. They want to ensure that content creators don't just place links to make money. They must have experience with the product. This is a major problem because if your website gets under Google's radar, the traffic can reduce massively, which in other words, your revenue. Still, millions of websites, including mine, are part of many affiliate programs to earn extra cash. Okay, the reason I'm putting Twitter here is people have been making money from Twitter and it works. All you have to do is get some followers and create Twitter threads. Twitter allows affiliate links in tweets, making it easy for influencers to thrive on the platform. Take a look at this account. He guides people on investing and savings, and sometimes he recommends products to his followers. At this point, you might be thinking, why not Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok? The reason Facebook is not the best platform is that it hides your posts that contain links from most users. This is why we see a few likes on links compared to thousands of likes on general posts. With Insta and TikTok, you can't place links in videos or posts. The only place is your bio, where only a handful of your followers end up. So to thrive on those platforms, you need hundreds of thousands of followers. Alright, now you know what is what. Here's one tip. Always promote products that you use and love. It's not a good practice to promote products blindly, because if something's not as promised, you will lose your loyal following. Also, it builds trust when users see you using the product yourself. The second tip is not to overcrowd links in your descriptions or tweets. Your YouTube description has no link limit, so use this space carefully. Your job is to make it easy for the user to take their next step. If you place many links, you will confuse them, which will lead them not to click on anything. With that being said, it's time to part ways. Affiliate marketing is just one of the ways to make money online. Check out this video next to find other ways. I'll catch you later. Take care.